Gentlemen, you will be glad to know that we are progressing steadily. There are many reasons for this. Some undertakings which could easily pay large sums to workers in the field of science do not do so because they have had the experience of finding that the money spent by one particular company in this way does not always come back to the same company. The advantages may go to companies of a like nature all over the country or all over the world. There is therefore less willingness than we might expect to find on the part of big industrial undertaking to spend very large sums of money in this way. Other considerations are that great changes in methods of production or distribution or in the kind of materials used might mean buying new plant and giving up existing plant on which so much money has been spent and which has not yet paid for itself. Naturally, the directors of company do not fail over themselves in their desire to take such a step. In fact, it is well known that a large undertaking will sometimes buy up a new idea simply in order that it shall not be used either by themselves or by any other undertaking, and the man responsible for the idea so pleased to have said it to such a well known undertaking has the experience of finding that the years pass without anything whatever being done with his beautiful idea. Para, such an experience is of course hardly likely to lead to further hard work on his part than the further consideration which is of great interest and great importance to the public is that new methods of production or distribution might have an immediately bad effect on the labor situation by putting out of employment thousands of people who have been specially trained to do one particular kind of work. It is impossible to judge wisely the effect of work in the science field without keeping our eyes fully open to such important facts. Science certainly clears away some difficulties for industrial undertakings and for government, but it also makes new difficulties, and it is perhaps true to say that the people whose work should be to find a way of getting over these difficulties are more responsible than the men of science for many of our present day troubles.